Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow deleting without confirmation for the Shortcuts app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Shortcuts. Next, tap on Advanced, and in here tap on Allow Deleting Without Confirmation. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. If you switch this on, then you're allowed to delete without confirmation when you are using Shortcuts app. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.